Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's mix up some paint for these little candle holders I have here. I added my bronze paint and then I added some gold paint to that. I wanted to make a little bit of a different bronze for these because I think these are going to be gorgeous hanging on the wall. Anyway, you guys, there's nothing like taking something like this and just redoing it. For the bronze paint, I use black, rose gold, and gold. And sometimes I'll add a little copper as well. Anyway, I am painting these all over, you guys, and it does take me a minute to do that. I have sped this video up pretty fast. So you guys will see that it's mainly painting. I go over them both twice. So, and I had a primer put on them before I did that, so there's just a lot of painting to do here. You guys know how that is when you paint something like this. You got to get down in all the little nooks and crannies and all the little grooves and all the things. So, but I want to get in all these little nooks and crannies and all the grooves and all the things, like I said. And I just have to go over them twice. You have to look everywhere to make sure you got everything. You guys know how that is. Anyway, I'm just going to let you guys watch it from here on out and watch us paint, 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 and more painting. We're getting closer. It just requires a lot of painting, you guys. I'm sorry. But anyway, this paint kind of looks black, but if you look where the light's hitting it, you can see the bronze. It's just my room's a little dark tonight, and the paint just looks a little bit. But once you get it in the daylight, you guys will see what I'm talking about. It's bronze. It's a really pretty brown bronze. I'm going to have to get me some of those umbrella lights that you can put on either side of your work surface, and it really brightens things up really nice and bright. I may have to get me a couple of those, especially now that we're doing the O tube. And now you guys see me putting on, this stuff is called, let me see what it's called, y'all. Right here it is. It's called Metallic Luster, and the color is Iced Espresso. I put this on there, and it had like, this has got like a brown tint to it, like a golden brown tint to it. And it just didn't do it for me. So then I went back and grabbed some rubbing buff, and I put the rubbing buff on it as well. So you guys will see here in a second. I'm like, okay, we got to try something else. This is nice. The iced espresso is really nice, but I just felt like I wanted something a little brighter. So you see I've got the rubbing buff in my hand now, and we're just rubbing buffing it all over, you guys, in all those high places. And look how that just makes it all really light up. I think this gives us a whole new life. And I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys will spread these blessings. And do me a favor, y'all. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.